Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to make an alt account on Discord. So let's get started. So what you need to do is open up your browser and log into your Discord. As you can see, I already did that. Now what you want to do is you want to open a new incognito tab. So if you don't know how you can do that, you can do it simply by pressing Shift, Control and N on your keyboard and you will open a new incognito or private mode tab. Now what you want to do here is you want to go to the Discord page, and now what you want to do is you simply want to press login. After you have done that, it will ask you to log in, so you can simply log into your other account and then you will be logged into two different accounts on your PC, as you can see right here, and you can log right here and it will not log you out of your other account. So anyways guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you want more videos just like this, subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.